Hey, welcome back. Today, I want to quickly talk about a problem that I ran into as I was working on my latest rendering and show you how to fix the problem if it happens to you. So here's the scene I was working on, and I have these soldiers, but I wanted to customize their poses. So I was using Mixamo to do that, and everything was working fine until I started importing the new characters into Blender. And as you can see here, the imported model is purple because all the textures are missing. So that was a little upsetting, but as it turns out, there's a very simple way to fix this issue. All you have to do is go to the File menu, External Data, and choose Find Missing Files. Then browse to the folder where the model's textures are located. And you'll need to open up the folder so you can see all the texture files, and then click Find Missing Files. Then give it a few seconds to reassign the textures, and that's it. All the missing textures will be automatically applied back onto your model. Now, I'm not really sure why this happened because nothing changed in terms of my texture file location or file structure. Nothing was moved or renamed, which is typically why something like this would happen. But anyway, if you ever open up one of your files and it's all purple, just tell Blender to find the missing files and that should solve the problem. So that's about it for this one. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and post them below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.